The Scofflaw. It comes across as an insult some wealthy person from the 1920s would use, such as vagabond, scoundrel, philanderer, a malingerer, but a scofflaw be the kind of name I'd associate with annoying food YouTubers. You know, the kind of mouth breathers who eat a whole entire fast food menu with their mouths open and smacking. The kind of people you feel the overwhelming urge to punch in the throat. The ingredient lineup: Rye Whiskey, dry vermouth, fresh lemon juice, grenadine and orange bitters. I know some of you are thinking he's gone and done it again, he's making another rye drink, but I'm really trying to train myself to enjoy rye for once, and it's the winter, so it's the perfect time for a boozy drink. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of rye to our shaker. Follow this up with 1.5 ounces, that's 30ml of dry vermouth. Add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of grenadine. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml fresh lemon juice. Lastly, add 2 generous dashes of orange bitters. Add ice to our shaker and then shake for 11 to 15 seconds. History-wise, this cocktail was created during Prohibition, and it was due to an ardent supporter of Prohibition who's a teetotal banker named Delciver King. He hosted a competition for the concerned public to create vile and disgusting names for drinkers to shame people to stop drinking, and the best they could come up with was Scofflaw, so I bet that really hurt the feelings of the drinkers back in the day. But roll on to 1924, and this drink is thought to have been created at either Harry's Bar and Maxim's in Paris. I suppose there's a bit of a rebellion towards this name and the ridiculous nature of Prohibition. Double strain this into a chilled Nicanora glass or a coupe glass. Garnish with a lemon peel. The taste test: spicy, warming, dry and bitter. It's got quite a lot going on, but not in a bad way. The grenadine, I think, there's just for decorative purposes. And this stuff has that colour of like Powerade or Kool-Aid or whatever you used to call it. The ingredient I'm liking in this though is a vermouth, although I think it'd be better with like a sweeter white vermouth to equalise the balance on it a bit, and perhaps a bit more of a higher end grenadine. But it's not a bad drink. I'm going to give this a solid 6.3 out of 10.